We are going down the bobsled slide. See ya! Where'd she go? This is Anne's first travel review. We just got off a plane, and now we're driving 3 hours north. No, we're not going north. We're driving 3 hours in some direction, and we're going to Galena, Illinois. Galena, Illinois is a historic Civil War town. Anne is going to meet Mike, Karen, Danny, and Hazel. This is an all-star studded cast. Anne is so excited.
So excited. Hello.
This is Travel Review
Galena.
Galena, the promised land. And we're stopping at White Castle. In order to get to Galena, we have to travel through vast amount of farmland. Are you having fun?
Oh,
You?
me driving? I always have fun.
Do you like the farmland? We're almost there. Next stop, Galena, the promised land.
Woo.
Did we make it?
We made it, Craig.
Is that, what does that say? We're going into the country store. Mike straightened the milk. What a hero.
Oh, Matthew.
I have never seen a pickle chip in my life. Fantastic.
Wild turkey.
Wild turkey. Hello, turkey. Hello. Wow, turkeys. There's Danny. There he is. And Hazel. Hazel, Ann got you some candy.
Candy?
You want candy?
What? I don't like candy.
Yes, you do.
I just like the rainbow candies.
So here's where we're staying. Ann's Airbnb. What do you think?
So nice.
What do you think? You're about to meet Kay for Karen.
Oh my god.
Look at the size of this K mat.
Hello. How are you? We're here.
What a beautiful home.
Hazel's gonna show us now.
A nice country style home. Hazel's gonna show us where our room is.
This room is for us three we can.
Is that true? No. This is the duck room.
Yeah.
No home is complete without a duck. Whoa! Karen!
What?
We're in the basement. Wow, 3 beds?
That's cool.
Which one's yours?
Mine in the middle.
There's a lot of beds in this place. Did you count them?
1, 2. 2 beds.
I meant the whole house. Everyone come on. Anne brought some candy for everyone as a peace offering.
Peace offering.
Yeah. We got some Hello Kitty strawberry chewy candy. Danny, that's directed your way.
Oh, thank you.
And we have these burgers. These are for everybody.
Those are very good.
And Karen, this is directed to you. Strawberry cheesecake.
Ooh, yeah.
Those are good.
Is everyone at peace with Anne? Everyone's okay with her now?
Well, we always were.
We'll see.
Good?
I meet with my doctor like in 2 weeks.
Good.
It's also
So do you accept Anne's peace? Good job, Anne.
It's Fritz and Fritz.
Do you accept Anne's peace offering?
What is a peace offering?
The Duck Lounge.
With my coffee.
We're here in town. Beautiful downtown Galena. There are shops of all kinds, history of all kinds, and we're gonna take a look and check it all out. All these buildings are from the 1800s, it's very old.
It looks like right around the corner here.
Anne wants some tea.
Coffee. Poppy, Poppy, Poppy.
How is it?
So good. Look how cute.
Look over here.
To the chocolate shop. I bought one of my favorite candies. Mothballs.
Mothballs?
Mothballs. Here's your mothball.
Wow. Idiot.
This is a noodle store. They have every noodle you can possibly want.
They're beautiful. Look at those bow ties.
It looks like a fun dinner.
We're gonna get Karen some chocolate noodles. Ann, you're taller than me. Oh my God. Downtown has a lot of antique stores and we're gonna hit them all. All right, go ahead. Let's go. More ducks. Look at this wall of books.
I love old book binding. Isn't this beautiful? Texture, leather. No. No.
Come on, Ann, let's make him a part of our family. You want that one? It's the best bed I've ever seen.
I love Galena. It's so cute. All little brick buildings. I can't believe these were built in like the 1800s. It's amazing. Craig, what are you eating?
Ice cream.
Yum, what kind?
Fudge. The DeSoto House. Very old. On one of these balconies, Abraham Lincoln himself used to speak from. Wow, look at this old hotel. We're in the historic DeSoto House, undercover. We're gonna sneak upstairs. Let's go.
Greg loves to sneak hotels.
I love to sneak in hotels. There's a room. That's what a room looks like. Officers' quarters. Beautiful flowers. And the carpet is flowers too. And look at these lights. It's all just so cute. And I want you to walk gracefully down the stairs. Gracefully. It's really nice. Really great. You're doing great. Great. It's really great. We are going into the Dowling House, which is Galena's oldest house, built in 1826.
If you look online at our Facebook,
The tour guide was extremely knowledgeable. We got the whole place to ourselves, and it was awesome. And it's haunted.
Come on, come here. Come on. You got grass on your face.
I'm going back to meditate.
We are about to go on a hunt, a golf ball hunt. We're looking for golf balls on the golf course. This is one of the world's most exciting activities. Ann's never done it before.
Never.
Hazel, wait here. First thing we gotta do is get to the woods and hide from the golfers. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta hide. Wow, Hazel's fast.
I'm almost.
What all over you? Yeah, she just did.
It's a ball! I found it. It's mine now. Whoa!
Did you do that?
I just saw something just drop.
Someone hit a ball in the water. That was close. Wow, real good golfers out here. When you look for golf balls, you risk your life. Golf balls fly around you and almost hit you. It's a very dangerous pastime.
Wow.
Ah! That was mine. There.
How many balls have you found? 0. Did you break it?
No, somebody else did.
Let me see, show it to me. Wow. We're all done. We did pretty good. I'd say we got about 25. Take a look. And that does it for today's golf ball hunting. Dessert time, chocolate noodle time. Let's see how these turn out. Karen is a master expert of desserts, and she is going to take the first crack at the chocolate noodle. A lot going on in that mind.
Kind of boring, actually. Ice cream and
The flavor is a bit subtle. I think that's what she means by boring. What a magical place Galena is. They have chocolate noodles. What you doing?
I'm braiding my hair.
We are going down the Alpine bobsled slide. Anne's never done such a thing before,
I have not.
so this will be exciting.
A little nervous.
Say cheese.
We should have bet something on this. Here we go. See ya! Where is she?
If you can't tell, I'm going very slow.
Where'd she go? There she goes. Alright, here we go. What the heck? He caught her! She was going really slow.
I get scared. I need another go at it.
We're at the bottom of the hill on the train tracks. Now we gotta take the lift to get back up the hill, and we're gonna go at it again.
Watch your arms.
I've never been in a ski lift. I've never been skiing before.
Wow. We'll see if she can speed up a little bit this time. What do you think?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, lots at stake here. All right, here we go. Oh, Anne is going fast this time. Anne went much faster this time. Did you feel the speed?
Yes, it was great. I did a good job.
You did. You did a great job. Wow.
Oh my gosh, is that like a mermaid swimsuit? You a fish?
We're climbing up the endless stairs. It's said that something magical happens when you get to the very top. We're almost at the top. Made it. Where the stairs lead, the old high school. Now, they're condominiums. We look really cool here, don't we? Me and Anne are walking around and checking out some of the old historic homes that are here.
It's beautiful.
I've never been so disgusted than I am now by that art piece. An old ceiling fan that's been hung up on brick. Why would anyone do that? Disgusting. There's the stairs again that we climbed. We're back in town and we're going to dinner at the world famous
I forget.
Vinny Vanucci's.
Vinny Vanucci's.
Here we are, we made it. Wow, look at those meatballs.
Learn as you go.
As soon as we're done, she's going to bed. That's it. That's the end of the day. Time for bed.
We had a great time. I got to meet Anne and she is just perfect.
What do you think is in the future?
I don't know. But I hope she is.
I love Karen.
I'm folding your mom's underwear. so-
Now we'll give our review of Galena. Anne, what did you think?
I thought it was amazing. I love the natural surroundings. That's the best part. And then downtown Galena. I also loved the slides. I give it an A++.
Wow. I would score Galena about 25 golf balls. I think it deserves. What a magical town. So much to do, so much to see. Wow.
Bye. Like and subscribe, please.
Please.